Hey guys, Felix here, and today I think this video will be particularly useful for you. So we'll go out on Chinese streets and ask foreigners what the most useful word is, or their favourite words in Chinese is simply. And you'll find out as well, if you haven't already, how Chinese is super logical. So you'll take, like, for instance, one word, put it together with another word, and they'll actually combine into another word, which makes all the sense in the world. I can't think of any examples, but you'll be given loads now. So please enjoy, and enjoy.
Among all the Chinese words you have learned, which one is your favorite?
I like this phrase, like, mama hoo hoo.
Mama hoo hoo.
Yeah, I know this.
Do you have a favourite Chinese word or expression?
Favorite Chinese word?
Or character?
什么鬼?
什么鬼?
Yeah, I like it. Like what goes?
What goes?
Yeah, it
And
means
use
like
it.
when you're surprised, you hear something weird, or like someone says something that doesn't make sense or is shocking, you'll be like 什么鬼?
什么鬼?
Yeah.
什么鬼? Do you like it?
Just like jega and nega, just so it helps you point.
It's so useful, right?
So you can actually, feed yourself in a restaurant.
What is your favorite Chinese word?
I don't repeat it. I don't.
You can just say it and we'll just beat the whole thing up.
Okay.
That's a good word.
屁都没有。
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 Means there's nothing here.
It's nothing here, but it's like there's nothing and even not a fart.
Yeah.
Yeah, 屁都没有。
It means like.
What is your favorite Chinese word?
Favorite, mama hoo hoo.
Mama.
That one I know too.
What does it mean? Can you explain to our audience?
Mama hoo hoo, so la la. So la la.
我不惯, yeah?
我不惯.
我不惯, yeah. Exactly yesterday I heard like this entire Chinese hip hop band,
Yeah.
and they got this song like 我不惯, I guess. It means like I don't care or something.
care, yeah.
Yep, and it's like, I like this. It's like stylish phrase, I like it.
Do you have a favourite word? Chinese character, expression?
It's hard, man. I quite like just the phrase 东西, right? Yeah, 东西. It just means like stuff, right? It's just things, stuff, items. First of all, the characters themselves are kind of weird, right? East, west, like Dong is east and Xi is west. So, I mean, that's weird enough as it is. Like, why does that mean stuff or things?
That makes sense.
You think it makes sense? Everything from east to west?
Well, 天地, heaven,
Right, heaven, earth.
Heaven, earth is world.
Yeah,
so
yeah.
east, west should be everything.
Okay, yeah. It's cool, yeah. Yeah, I never thought of it like that. But I just like it because it's kind of like a catch-all, you know. And when you chat with a Chinese person, you ask, what is that? Or they're trying to describe something, you know. Dongxi just gets used to everything. Like, stuff you can eat, stuff you can bring. This place is full of dongxi, you know. Like, this is like a dongxi heaven. Sometimes when Chinese people can't think of like the word they want to say, you know, they'll just say like, dongxi. You know. I just kind of like how like vague and unspecific. It's kind of like stuff in English. It's not even a real word. It doesn't have a real meaning.